World Tourism Day. The World Tourism Day is celebrated on 27 September every year. The United Nations World Tourism Organization firstly celebrated World Tourism Day on 27 September 1980. September 27 was chosen as the date of World Tourism Day because the date is related with an important milestone in world tourism. September 27, 1970 was the date is related when UNWTO status adopted. The purpose of celebrating World Tourism Day is to raise awareness internationally about the importance of tourism. UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Day organization, is known for promoting sustainable and universally accessible tourism across the world. On this day, many events and programs are conducted by tourism department and organizations. There are also various competitions like poster making competition, photographic competitions, essay writing, etc. are held on this day. The color of World Tourism Day is blue. The UNWTO believes that the date of World Tourism Day is appropriate because it comes at the start of tourism season in the Southern Hemisphere. Tourism is an important part of our life. When you travel, you can experience things that you could never experience at home.